Hello friends, welcome to PUNARVI SANSKAR. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ 2014 to 2022 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. First question, what is a microprocessor? Answer, the CPU is also called as a microprocessor. It is a small chip that resides in computers and other electronic devices for processing of data or objects. Second question, write the standard symbol for AND gate. Please refer textbook for it. Third question, what are data structure? Answer, the organized collection of data to perform the required operations to generate the desired results. Fourth question, is it possible to access data outside a class? Answer, yes. Fifth one, how do we initiate a pointer? We use ampersand symbol and asterisk symbol to initialize a pointer. What is the normalization? A database normalization is a technique of organizing the data for independent access in a database. It is a systematic approach for fragmenting the tables for removing the redundancy and different anomalies. Seventh one, expand ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Eighth question, what are cookies? Cookies are small files which are stored on a user's computer. They are designed to hold a small lookup containing pairs of values. Eighth question, what is URL? The URL tells your computer what language to protocol to use when communicating with a website. 10th question, define domain. The group of computers represents particular organization is called domain. 11th question, what is a motherboard? A printed circuit board connects all system components like CPU, RAM, expansion cards, graphic cards and other components. 12th question, what is a logic gate? An electronic device that accepts one or more input signals and generates an output signal based on different combination of input signals. 13th one, give an example for linear data structure. Answer, the examples are array, stack, queues and linked list. 14th question, what is a class? A class is the blueprint from which individual objects are created. 15th question, mention any one advantage of pointer. Answer, efficient memory utilization and pointers are used for file handling. 16th, what is a database? A database is a logically related data records. 17th one, expand URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. 18th one, define bus topology. A single cable, the backbone functions as the shared communication medium and device attached with an interface connector. 19th one, name any one web browser. Answer, Internet Explorer, Opera, Chrome, Firefox are the examples of web browser. Write any one HTML tag. Please refer textbook. 21, what is DHTML? It enables a web page to respond to an user input without sending request to the web server. 22, define e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce, a subset of e-business, is the purchasing, selling and exchanging of goods or services over the internet. 23, define local area network. A local area network connects network devices over a relatively short distance. 24, define the term topology of computer network. An appearance or layout of connected devices of a network is called as topology. 25, define data mining. The discovery of knowledge from the collected data is called data mining. 26, how do you initialize a pointer variable? We use ampersand and asterisk to initialize a pointer. It is a repeated question. 27. What is the significance of scope resolution operation in C++? Answer. A scope resolution operator is used to define a function outside a class. 28. Name any one non-linear data structure. Answer. Tree and graph are the non-linear data structure. 29. Write the standard symbol for XOR gate. Please refer the textbook. 30. Expand ISA. ISA stands for Industrial Standard Architecture. 31. What is cache memory? A cache memory is a very high semiconductor memory which can speed up CPU. Write the standard symbol for OR gate. Please refer the textbook. 33. What is a queue? An ordered collection of data elements allows insertion of data at one end called rear and deletion of data elements at other end called front. 34. What is an object? An object is a basic real world element with attributes and behaviors. 35. Define pointer. A variable that stores the memory address of another variable. 36. What is a database? A database is a logically related data records. It is a repeated question. 37. Define networking. An interconnection of two or more computers for sharing of resources. 38. Give an example for full duplex communication mode. Mobile and telephone communication is the example of full duplex communication mode. 39. What is telnet? It is a network protocol used on the internet or local network to provide a bidirectional interactive text-oriented communication facility using a virtual terminal connection. 40. Expand XML. Answer. Extensive markup language. 41. What is a bus? A bus is a communication system that transfers data between components inside a computer or between computers. 42. Write the standard symbol for AND gate. Please refer the textbook. 43. Define an array. A derived data structure contains homogeneous data elements by sharing the same name. 44. Is it possible to access a data outside a class? Answer. Yes, and it is a repeated question. 45. Mention any one advantage of pointers. Answer. Efficient memory utilization and pointers are used for file handling. It is also a repeated question. 46. Define an entity. It is a real world object or concept about which data is stored. 47. What is chatting? Chatting is a text-based communication tool can be used effective conversation between two connected users. 48. What is a server? It is a high-speed computer system controls all the computers connected to the network. 49. Expand www. www stands for World Wide Web. 50. What is a website? The group of web pages from website is called as website. 51. What is the use of SMPS? It is a device used as part of an electronic device which transforms electrical current from an AC line circuit to DC for use in electronic devices. 52. For the truth table given below, what type of logic gate does the output F represent? A 0011, B 0101, F 1110. The answer is NAND gate. 53. What are non-linear data structure? In which data elements are stored in the non-sequential type. There are no adjacent relationship among the elements is known as non-linear data structure. 54. What is meant by array of objects? Array of variables of type class is known as array of objects. 55. What is the purpose of new operator in C++? It allocates the memory dynamically and referring a pointer. 56. What is an entity? It is a real world object or dynamically referring a pointer. It is also a repeated question. What is hub? Answer: a device that connects multiple incoming and multiple outgoing connections in a network. 58. Expand FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. 59. Give the general syntax for URL. Type dot dot slash slash address slash path slash file name. 60. What is web scripting? The process of editing of scripts using scripting languages to automate the execution of tasks by a certain program or scripting games. 61. What is a microprocessor? The CPU is also called as the microprocessor. It is a small chip that resides in computers and other electronic devices for processing of data or signals. It is also a repeated question. 62. What is a logic gate? An electronic device that accepts one or more input signals and generates an output signal based on the different combination of input signals. 63. Define sorting. The process of arranging the data elements in an order, either ascending or descending order, is called sorting. What is an object? An object is a basic real world element with attributes and behaviors. This is also a repeated question. 65. Name the pointer operator, address operator, and indirection or pointer operator. What is a record? Record is a horizontal entity in a database, that is row of a table. It contains group of fields. 67. Expand HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 68. Write any one application of computer network. Resource sharing such as printers and storage devices is an application of computer network. Mention any one web browser. Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, Firefox are the examples of web browser. This is also a repeated question. 70. What is the use of HTML? It is used to create web documents. 71. Expand SMPS. SMPS stands for Switch Mode Power Supply. 72. Which basic logic gate is named as inverted? Answer: NOT gate is known as inverter gate. 73. Define searching. The process of finding the position of an element in an array is called searching. 74. What is a member function? The methods are invoked to perform a particular task, such as to get the input, calculation, or output the results. These methods use data members provided in a class for processing. 75. How to declare a pointer? We use asterisk to declare a pointer. 76. What is a table in DBMS? It is a collection of data elements organized in terms of rows and columns. 77. What is a computer network? An interconnection of two or more computers for sharing of resources. It is also a repeated question. 78. Mention any one antivirus software. Quick AVG, McAfee, Kaspersky, Norton are the antiviruses. 79. Define e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce, a subset of e-business, is the purchasing, selling, and exchanging of goods or services over the internet. Write any one formatting HTML tag. P, B, I, center are the HTML tags. Expand the term DDRAM. Answer: DDRAM stands for Double Data Rate Random Access Memory. 82. Write the standard symbol for two input NOR gate. Please refer the textbook. 83. Give an example for non-primitive data structure. Array, linked list are the examples of non-primitive data structure. What is meant by data encapsulation? It is a mechanism of combining data and functions to form an object. 85. Write which symbol is used as address operator in C++. The symbol used as address operator is AND. 86. Define tuple. Each row of a table is called a tuple. A tuple is the group of attributes values considered as horizontal entity in a relation. 87. What is World Area Network? It is a large network of information that is not tied to a single location. 88. What is ring topology? The computers are connected in circular path and allows the data transfer in only one direction. 89. Mention any type of e-commerce. The types of e-commerce are B2B, B2C, C2B and C2C. 91. Give the purpose of expansion slots. This slot is helpful to enhance the motherboard features by inserting the expansion cards. 92. Write the standard symbol for two input NAND gate. Please refer the textbook. 93. Give an example for primitive data structure. Integer, float, character and double are the examples of primitive data structure. 90. Define data abstraction. A design technique that provides only essential information of an object to the outside world and hiding its background details. 95. What is a pointer? A variable that stores the memory address of another variable. It is a repeated question. What is a record? A record is a horizontal entity in a database, that is row of a table. It contains row of fields. It is also a repeated question. 97. Expand the term FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. 98. What is star topology? A star network features a central connection point called hub. In place of hub switch or router can also be used. 99. Mention any one advantage of e-commerce. E-commerce reduces paperwork a lot. 100. What is web hosting? It means design the website for individual or organization and accessible through the World Wide Web. 101. What is a port? A port is a place to connect input or output or peripheral devices to a computer. 102. Which gate is called as inverter gate? NOT gate is also known as inverter gate. It is also a repeated question. 103. Define root node in a binary tree. The topmost node in a tree is called as root node. 104. Mention the operator used to access member of a class. The dot operator is used to access member of a class. 105. How to declare a pointer? We used asterisk to declare a pointer. 106. What is meant by data mining? The discovery of knowledge from the collected data is known as data mining. This is also a repeated question. 107. Expand MIME. It stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. 108. Name any one type of UTP cable. Unshielded twisted pair cable and shielded twisted pair cable. 109. Give an example for web browser. Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari are the examples of web browser. 110. What is the web scripting? The process of editing of scripts using scripting languages to automate the execution of tasks by a certain program or scripting engine.